Hey everybody!
Good morning.
It's the first warm, sunny, beautiful day of spring and we are headed out. We are going to have a pancake breakfast. Yes, we are. And then we're going to a sea turtle rescue event and we've got the top back on the Jeep to get some fresh air and sunshine.
It's nice.
Just want to take you and show off some gorgeous weather and spend a little time with you guys.
Let's go.
Let's go have some fun. If we both sound a little bit stuffy, it's spring.
Yeah.
And
Things are blooming now.
We're both just a little bit sniffly, but we're not sick. It's just the beautiful.
You had to double up on the Zyrtec today.
Even I broke down and took a Zyrtec this morning. So, but it's not going to stop us from enjoying some fresh air and sunshine.
Not at all.
That was delicious.
Never a disappointment going to Backwater.
Yep.
Never.
It's the only place we knew that we could get French toast and pancakes.
Oof.
That we've actually had them before.
I'm feeling it though.
I haven't ordered pancakes in years. It has been years since I've ever ordered a pancake or had more than one bite of Michael's.
Yeah.
So that was such a treat for me. I'm so excited.
The gluten-free were a lot better than what I thought they were going to be
So
too.
good. They tasted just like a real pancake.
They really did. Yeah,
Yeah.
it was great.
Anyway,
oh, no. Good.
off
Good
to the
stuff.
turtle place.
Let's do it.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down, my ladies.
This is our version of the Big Orange. It's nowhere near as big as Adam the Woo's Big Orange.
One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time.
Jeep hair, don't care. Your Jeep hair looks just like you gelled it.
I know.
And it's fine.
Well, it's dry now, though, instead of like the wet look. I will say that.
Oh, cute.
Well, that's unfinished. It's real.
That's so pretty.
Yeah.
Trying to decide between these two postcards, which one to send to my aunt. Michael likes this one better. I just think that's cool, the way they managed to capture.
It is.
But that one, man, that's award. It's just, that should be award winning. My goodness. Oh, I mean, it's bone. They last for how long?
I know, you know what I meant. That smell.
Oh, this is a protected beach.
Very beautiful day.
Really nice to be out here and hearing nothing after riding here, jamming out to the music that's so loud. My throat's a little sore from all the screaming. Gosh, you know, I say it every time we come somewhere like this, but I absolutely love raw Florida, you know. It's just the shades of green. They're so pretty. It's doing wonders for my allergies. How about you? I'm actually, yes, I feel like it's clearing me out. Instead, I was worried it was going to make our allergies a little bit worse. But I feel like it's that spring cleaning that we needed. See how far this goes. know. Something's either happened here. Oh, there's a hiking trail going down that way. We'll go back that way if we can. I think this is as far as we're going to be allowed to go. Yeah. There's a parking lot over there, so we're just running there. Oh yeah, you're right. So they're continuing to build this out. How nice. I need to get a photo before we turn around and go back. That might make a thumbnail. All right, let's do the adventure hike off-roading. You with you? Going around some kids here so we don't film them by accident. Oh, babe, go for tortoises.
Where?
Well, I mean,
Oh, just be on the lookout.
polo.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Is that the, yeah, it's the indigo.
Yeah, they go down in tortoise, go for tortoise nests. Huh. Let those kids pass, that's all I wanted to do. I try not to film any more than I have to.
I'm assuming this is going to take us out right where the car is.
I think
There's
it
another
might.
Beach access, yeah, over where we parked. It's so funny they call this a hike, babe. This is walking on sand.
I know, I really want to take my sandals off, but I mean, they're. This is this right here. I wonder if I can you see that spider? No, that's something the spider
I think
has
that's
caught.
his prey.
This reminds me a lot, which we're not far from Sebastian Inlet, where I went with my friend that one day.
Yeah. I haven't been.
Yeah, I know. I was gonna take your mom, and then we never went. Okay, that seems to be the end of it right there. Well, that was a fun little walk through nature.
Yeah.
How nice.
Are we across the way?
We are right down there.
Okay.
All right. Oh, can you take the receipt? I
Of
want to
course.
show. This is the postcard that I got from my aunt. I actually think I like the other one better, but thinking of her, I think she will like this one better. Isn't that adorable?
It
The
is.
artist is Ben J. Hicks. Anybody coming? That was fun though. Had a really good time. Yes, I am regretting not putting my hair in a ponytail because this is not going to be fun to comb out. But there's always that first warm day of the year. It's actually February here. It's early in February, but I'm calling this the first day of spring because it's the first sunny day that wasn't cloudy or rainy or just a little bit too chilly for all this
Oh,
goodness.
that, yeah.
I have to do it at least once a year. Just let my hair become complete Jeep hair and have a really good time. So
72 out, but it's warmer in the direct sunlight for sure. Feels warmer than that.
I didn't film much of that. It was mostly local artisans and their crafts. I only filmed a couple things. There is a sea turtle museum here, and you saw the beautiful beach and the beach walk. So we are headed home now to pick up our pup and get her for a nice stretch of her legs. These are all the people lined up to go check out the turtles. Okay, so we came home to grab the dog. It's just such a lovely day. We are gonna take her to the park. Come on, boo-boo. Michael is beginning training for the Gasparilla race, which you guys are gonna have seen before this video. So he's one of the reasons why we're celebrating today, in addition to the beautiful weather and just feeling so great, is because he is starting a much more strict routine tomorrow, and we wanted to kind of just, you know, enjoy and celebrate.
Yeah.
And I am here for moral support. So we're gonna go take you to a place called Gleason Park. It is here beachside. It's beautiful. Squirrels, nature trees. I'm gonna walk the dog, and he's gonna sit and chat with you guys on our GoPro and get you ready for Gasparilla training. Let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on. Come on. Who is so cute, all buckled up in her little purple seatbelt, huh? Is it you? Look at that little pupper mouth. Let me get it. You know what? This might make a better thumbnail. Let's do this one instead.
Okay.
Off to the park.
Here we go.
It's only about a mile from where we are, so little Boo can get some fresh air on the topless Jeep. This is her first trip with the top down in a long time.
Wow, yeah.
She's gonna love it here in a second as soon as we get up to speed. I better hang on to that pillow. I don't want it to go flying out. Perfect for a sea turtle day. This is a big mural on the side of a pawn shop right there, which incidentally, I bought a flute there just yesterday. They had a really cheap silver plated flute, and I needed one because mine is still in the shop and I needed something to practice. So, beachside pond. They got an awesome turtle mural. Uh-oh. Oh, here she comes. She's buckled in, don't worry, but boy, she likes to be up here in the front seat with us.
She stretches, yeah.
Yeah. Michael over here getting ready to film. And this is the park from the parking lot. There are quite a few sidewalk trails and a really big lake over there.
It's a really nice park.
Yeah, it is. Abra and I are just going to walk around and explore while Michael films his video, and we'll try to look for some cool things to show you guys. Every lake in Florida, every single lake, probably should come with this warning, but you just kind of got to know these things if you live in Florida. If there's a body of water, it probably has an alligator in it. I've never actually seen an alligator here, but it wouldn't surprise me if there was one. Come on, Bubble. This right here is the, oh, there goes Michael. The drainage for the lake. And that's probably where they come from. Oh yeah, for sure there's some gators. Let's get, Bobo, let's get you away from there. Come on. For sure, that's where gators would hang out. Oh, I have found something super cute right there. Do you see? I don't know, is he sleeping? He hasn't moved. I don't know if that's a gopher tortoise or a snapping turtle. Somebody else tell me. For perspective, this is how big he is. Probably at least 12 inches head to tail. No, more than that. 14 inches maybe, just a guess. But I'm gonna stay way over here, way away from him. And then right here we have an interesting sign. Aber, you wanna get some schooling? Our dog loves to munch on grass. And no, she's not sick. She just likes to taste things. I'm really hoping this turtle is okay. Just seems a little bit odd that it has not moved. But maybe it's asleep. I've already seen one lady throwing out bread. I probably caught it on the video. Definitely not a good idea to feed the wildlife. And there's supposed to be a wedding party later this afternoon. And she has gotten literally hundreds of these white birds walking around where they're going to have the wedding. So that could get messy quick. Not to mention loud and maybe even annoying to the wedding guests. Probably not a good idea to do that. Let's go explore this park, shall we? Oh, she wants to keep up with her daddy. What we got here? Oh, look, it's a little statue. Some frogs meditating. How cute. Oh, I need to stop this camera and get a picture of this. I know some people who will love this statue. I've been seeing these flowers blooming and they're stunning. They're so gorgeous. I wish I knew what this was called, but they're such a pretty shade of purple. They might be a little past their peak right now. I'm probably not showing you the best example of what they look like, but wow, they are so pretty and they completely cover the bush or this tree. We have a couple of these in our neighborhood. I just haven't had my camera with me to get a good picture before. I'm definitely gonna have to try to get a good picture now. So pretty. They are so pretty. They smell really nice too. Michael must have got in the zone and hit his stride because he wanted us to follow around and kind of help him set things up and maybe give him some ideas on locations, and I don't know where he went. I've lost him. I found him actually. He's behind us. And that's okay because look, we're at the perfect place to make a turnaround and go back and catch up with him and see how he's doing. I don't want to interrupt him in case he's on an artistic roll here. keep going. Let's keep exploring. Update. The turtle is now gone, so seems like he might actually have been just fine, maybe sleeping all along. I was worried for no reason. I think some kids did a little release of something else in this pet carrier, but the turtle we found is back enjoying his life in this park. Wonderful. Here's more of those beautiful purple flowers I've been telling you about. So pretty. These are actually a little bit more, I don't want to walk. Actually, I think you can walk, it's fine. These are in a little bit better shape. Maybe people were picking those. Yeah, hey baby girl. Yeah, look how pretty these are. Let's not touch them. Let's just look at them. They're so pretty. And unfortunately, I think on camera, they're not showing up as vivid as they are in real life. Like, they are a rich, pinky purple fuchsia color. I mean, even her leash and collar aren't showing up as bright as they should. These are stunning colored flowers. So pretty. Okay, I hope that footage wasn't too jerky. I was trying really hard not to film some children who were playing and running around, running through, and I just didn't want to film them. And then they fell. Thought they got hurt, but they're fine. Planting some new trees here. As you can see, this park is right in the middle of a neighborhood. We just forgot coming up. That's the neighborhood there. Where you would get in. I am so surprised we have not seen a gopher turtle yet. I have always seen one in this area or over here. Every time I've been to this park before. But there are a lot of people here today. Somebody's cooking out and it smells amazing. There are a lot of people here today, so this is the kind of place where you would be really likely to see one of those gopher turtles. But maybe not today. I see one. He's right there. Okay, we're gonna try to get closer. Hang on to the dog. For scale, you can see they're really big. Really big. Yeah. Good girl. Sit. Good. Stay. There he is. Where's she? Really big. Does it look like the same turtle we saw at the pond to you? I don't know. I can't really tell. Come on. Good girl. See? All right. A little more footage. I'm not going to get any closer than this. I don't want to scare him. Look at that eyeball. Okay, I'm so happy. Turtle is stay right there. Right there. Wish I could zoom from front facing, but I can't. I'm so happy I was able to show you one. There's a pool here. I'm not gonna film it and make people feel uncomfortable, but there is a really nice pool here. And it has its own parking lot right there. I think I see another turtle. Tortoise on top of this mound. Here. Abra, let's get my dog under control and then I'll go and film. Yeah. That's what their nests look like, or their holes. There's always a big, sorry, Abra got curious and I didn't want her coming over here. There's always a big sandy kick out where they build their nest. But I'm gonna spook this one if I stay much longer. I'm gonna keep moving so he doesn't have to go hide. He's a big one though. He's a big one. This little gardens is new. It's been put in since the last time I came to this park. How nice. Let's walk it, Abra, come on. Little fountain? Or maybe that's gonna be a fountain. Oh, it's making me wish I was barefoot so bad. This would feel so nice on bare feet. Another turtle. This one's a little bitty one. Little bitty teeny tiny one. Right here. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna let Abra get where she can touch it, but for scale, you know how the size of my dog. All right, come on, come back. I know. Oh, that's a brave little turtle. He's coming after her. Abra. Goodness, he's brave. Okay, let me intervene here. I don't want problems. Oh my gosh, is he gonna cross the road right in front of us? I know. Okay. Let's use this as a learning opportunity. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. You can look, but you can't touch. Leave it. Abra, leave it. Good girl. Wow, I am so proud. Leave it. Come with me. Come on. Come on, Abra. Come. Come on. I know. Oh, this is the hardest leave it we've ever done. I know, watch him. Let's just watch. We don't have to lick him. We don't have to smell him. I know. Leave it. Good girl, leave it. Good. Abra, sit. Sit. Good. Stay. Leave it. I can't believe the nerve of this turtle. Just walked right in front of us. He's gonna grow up to be a big turtle and he's gonna be old. He's fearless. All right, let's reward the dog with some love. I don't feel like I often get impromptu chances to practice leave it with her on things that she's not gonna then be able to eat as a reward. So I'm really proud of her. I'm really proud of how brave that turtle was. Michael is done with his video, so we're gonna head back to meet him at the truck.
Oh!
She acts like she hasn't seen him in 100 years.
I know.
How'd your movie go?
I think it went okay. I hope so.
Did you get it all filmed?
I think so, yeah.
It's done?
I think so.
Yay.
But I'm just worried. The only thing I'm worried about is the wind, the background noise. But I checked it. I checked each clip, so I hope, I hope it came out okay.
I got to show you a little encounter with the turtle Abra just had.
Oh no.
We're gonna walk another couple laps just to
Yeah.
give the dog some more exercise.
Well, it's so nice out here too.
Beautiful
Yeah.
weather. It's only
It's great.
2:15 in the afternoon.
Yep.
Not humid at all. I feel awesome. And little Abadoos
It's
is having,
great in direct sun too. It's not too
yeah.
hot.
And all the wedding guests are arriving. It must
Yeah.
be a floral theme because all the girls are in beautiful floral
Yeah.
dresses. It's so gorgeous. I don't want to film anybody. I just feel like that would be rude, but
I think they're setting up the reception over here at
I
the picnic
know.
shelter.
what a nice day for
Yeah.
a wedding. All right, we're gonna walk the dog and
Let's do
show you anything else I see of interest. I'd really like to go out on that balcony or on the pier,
Yeah.
on the boardwalk. I'm just staying away because that's where the wedding party is, and I don't think they technically have it blocked off, but I don't want to bother anybody.
Abra. Hey, up, up.
Yeah,
Girl.
she's getting tired.
Good girl.
Doesn't take much to wear her out.
No, it doesn't.
We're back at the Swampy Lagoon. I've lost count now. Is this turtle number 5? Uh-oh, Abra's crying because she... We're not gonna let her get anywhere near this lagoon. Whew! My phone died in the middle of filming those squirrels, but we saw 5 more turtles on our walk before we called it
Crazy.
quits. Had a nice long walk with the dog. She's hot.
Yeah.
We're gonna run her home real quick, put her in the air conditioning with some water to drink.
Oh my God.
Look at that blue, blue sky. Is this us? Is this us?
Home again, home again.
Hello. Hello. Okay, we're back home now, and I'm looking at the footage he shot with the GoPro. I think it looks really, really good. I really like the fact that even when he's walking and talking to the camera, and the GoPro is so fixed on his face and clear, but the this isn't a good example. Let me find. The trees are like still, they're so clear. Everything just looks so pretty on this GoPro footage. I'm really loving it. I have no eye for photography, so I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I'm really enjoying the footage that you just took all around the park. Thumbs up. All right, guys, it's been a couple hours. I just finished editing tomorrow's video that is actually gonna go up like a month before you see this one. But a quick outfit change because we're getting back in the Jeep and the sun is kind of peaked now. We're gonna go to dinner at a place we've never been before.
Yeah.
You've been craving chicken tenders for days.
Boneless wings.
I'm sorry,
more,
boneless-
more specifically, but not everybody does. I don't know. I just don't like the wings. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm going to get hate for that, but I just don't. So I found a place that just very happily coincided with a place we've been told since we moved down here to go try. Gators Dockside. And so I looked them up, and they have many, many different types of boneless and bone-in wings.
Trying a new place.
And so I'm excited. Yeah, they have indoor and outdoor seating, so we'll go see.
We are on our ways to get French fries and chicken wings.
And chicken wings.
So yes, we do. We've told this on our channel many, many times before. We do have cheat days every once in a while. Not as often as we did when we first went carnivore. This is a perfect example of one. We
Yeah.
are eating things that a standard American diet would eat, and you will be seeing literally everything that we eat for the next few weeks, and you understand why we do what we do. So
True.
we're gonna go show you a new place.
Let's go.
Never ever been to a Gators Dockside, so off we go. check out that
I
sunset
know.
in the background. It is, we haven't
What is it,
changed
6
time
o'clock?
yet, so it's 6 o'clock. Sun's going down. It'll be down by 6:30. We just pulled over on the side of the road to tell you about our meal because we didn't want to take up a space in their parking lot, as busy as they are on a Saturday night. Absolutely delicious wings. I mean, we don't order chicken wings a lot, so we're not chicken wing experts, but we got a honey gold flavor. That was the flavor I picked.
That was great. Those were
You have to help me with
really
the other
good.
two.
The other good, you got a garlic honey,
Yeah.
and they have their own Gators scooter sauce, I think is what it's called. So they made that specifically. I don't know what it tasted like, some chili and some honey and maybe something else glazed mixed in there.
All three were great.
All three were really good. Big hunks of chicken for the wings. We got 25. They had a really nice deal. You could get 25 and make it a platter that gave us 2 sides. And so I think 25 was enough for both of us, don't you?
I'm full. And the thing that's going to make me feel the worst tomorrow is the corn.
Yeah, she had corn.
I love corn. I do. It's never a good thing for me to eat corn because but I do not regret it. And we don't eat like this very often. This is a really rare,
especially not
treat.
corn and French fries. No, gosh,
This
no.
is a really special treat for us, and it was really, really good. It's absolutely good. I would give them 4.5 stars. They got really not the greatest reviews online, but we've been seeing them
This
everywhere.
location, yeah.
And we had heard from some other YouTube channels, actually, people had mentioned Gators Dockside, and we just decided not to go by their stars and try them out anyway, and we totally don't regret it. It was so good.
Yeah, extremely reasonable for what we got. Like I said, we got a lot of food. What else? That Bold and Gold, or Golden Bold. That was great. That was great sauce. The service was terrific. They hand make all of their
Ranch and blue cheese.
Yeah, and blue cheese. And so everybody was extremely nice. Yeah.
It looked like it was really empty in there. I guess the Saturday night crowd must come later, but
or they're all waiting until
by the time we left, the parking lot was starting to fill up.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
Absolutely loved it. I thought it was great. Fantastic.
Agreed. Overall, I think I would probably give it the same rating that you did when you think about service and price, quality of food, and just how nice everybody was. Yeah.
We really wanted to take you along for a treat day. We don't do this very often, and we talk so much on this channel about how we eat on our 95% of the time, 98% of the time, I always say 25 to 28 days out of a month. We are so super strict.
Yeah.
And when we're not super strict, we usually just have a little something on our day. But this is the first time we've had a full-blown day of whatever we wanted to eat.
It was.
I know just a couple days ago, I'm like, I haven't had a pancake in years, and I really want a pancake.
And I don't know if you've ever said that to me in the time I've known you.
Yeah,
that you...
all the years we've been together, I never said that.
Yeah.
We're like, we're going to have a treat day, and we're going to show you how we do it. We've had so much fresh air today and sunshine.
I know.
Still driving around with the top down. And it's
just starting to get a little cool. Just now.
Yeah, I had to put the sweater on, but it still feels nice. We got plenty of exercise. We walked a lot in the park. Plus, you worked out this morning. I mean, there's ways to do it. If being healthy and eating a strict lifestyle doesn't work for you all of the time because you find yourself falling off because you can't keep up, maybe you could do it the way we do it. We have a day like this once in a blue moon. And it's such a treat. I'm so grateful for days like today. It's such a treat. And we wanted to show you the sunset, and we wanted to see if we could. There's a boat.
There's a dock.
Boat dock landing where you put your boat
landing,
in.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go show you the lagoon before we wrap up this vlog. So I hope everyone's enjoyed coming along for today.
Yeah. Me too.
We will do
fun.
We'll do the occasional video like this one-off. It's always fun to share fun things that are and exciting fun things that are going on with us, which for us is food sometimes. So
yeah, that's true.
Right. As you can see, our allergies aren't completely cleared up, but we're feeling tons better than we did this morning. Guys, we'll see you another day in another vlog. Stick around for some lagoon bonus footage.
Yeah, bonus footage
if you want to see it. But otherwise, we'll see you another day. Goodbye, everybody.
See you guys.
I'm gonna give her the Jeep hair, and here we go. See you guys another day.
Good night, guys.
Bye, everybody. This Jeep is here all the time. Almost feel like we know him, even though we've never seen who drives that Jeep. But he's here a lot. Gone night fishing.